dream so near, though far away, your warmth feels clear. Moonville, keep my heart tonight. Hold the feelings I can't speak right. Through the quiet, through the gentle longing, your light remains softly comforted.